Mga kapuso, this morning usa ka beauty queen ang atong makauban gikan Misamis Oriental. Siya bag-uhay lamang na koronahan isip Miss Gay Philippines 2022. Atong ilailahon ang proud LGBT og Miss Gay Philippines nga si Miss Kirk Popiolek. Hello Kirk, good morning and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta ka karong panahona?
Hello po, I am doing great and I feel so happy because I am here with you guys. Thank you so much for having me.
Kirk, first of all, congratulations sa imong kadaugan isip Miss Gay Philippines. Kamusta ba ang feeling nga nakab-ot gyud nimo ang imong gipangandoy?
It still feels surreal to me, like wala pa gyud ko nag-expect about aning a crown and ginahinahinay pa ako siya og tawat because I can't contain the happiness right now, receiving all the love and support from different people after I won the crown, and I'm just so happy because Cagay-anons and Misamisnons, this is all for you. This crown is all for you.
Dihang gianunsyo na kung si kinsa ang mananaog sa maong kompetisyon, Kirk, og nadunggan nimo ang imong pangalan nga nakadaog ka. Unsa ba ang nagdagan sa imong hunahuna ni adtong tungora?
To be honest, blanco akong dagan sa kuotok. Like, wala gyud. Naghilak ra gyud ko, grabe akong hilak. Kay, wala gyud ko na-expect. So, mo to, hilak ra kay ko. And after nabutang ang crown sa kong ulo, I was just like, oh my God, I did my best. I deserve this. And I'm just so happy and grateful. Good. More gina ang dagan sa kong utok. And mo to, finally, after sa kakapoy, sa biyahe, sa tanan-tanan, nadaog yun ako ang crown. More gina ang dagan sa kong utok that time.
Kirk, alang nimo sa Miss Gay Philippines during the competition, no, unsa ba ang maingon nimo nga best experience nga imong nabaon?
Okay, siguro akong best experience sa competition would be meeting all the lovely ladies around the Philippines. Like, daghan di kong nakaila and ako mga kaila before nakatan-awran ako sa TV, I was able to compete with them, and that is like one of the greatest thing that happened to me on that pageant. Like, happy ko because nailan ako sila and sharing the same stage with them it's really memorable. And akong pinaka-greatest nga learning nga nabaon siguro would be to always remain humble despite all the achievement that you have. Mao ginang ako because having the crown, it's not just like about the glitz and glamour, it's not just about the beauty, but it's also about the personality. That's why I always remind myself to be humble gyud.
Karon Kirk, nga living the dream na gyud ka, background tagamay sa imong humble beginnings. Kanos aba o paunsa ka ba nagsugod sa pag-apil aning mga LGBTQ pageants?
Okay, I started with year 2018. Akong first pageant was actually sa among barangay lang, sa Barangay Bubu. That was really my first pageant and I wasn't expecting magkasunod na daayon, and right now I'm so happy because I'm finally growing and I'm naka-reach na po akong damgo sa kinabuhi, and of course I'm happy to share to people what is the real beauty nga naa sa Misamis Oriental, and I'm so happy na ako nadala ang Misamis Oriental sa national stage.
Miss Kirk, unsa sa ba ang reaksyon sa imong pamilya dihang nakoronahan na ka isip Miss Gay Philippines?
Grabe, di ba? When na-announce ang winner, nagilaka na ko, as in like grabe akong hilaka. And then after na ko niadto sa backstage, I received messages from my family, from my boyfriend, from my friends, and they sent me a video nga they were also crying sa announcement. So mo to, like, biskan na ako sa backstage, humana ang crowning moment, gahilak pagyapon ko with all the messages na akong kakadawatan sa ila and the videos na ilang ginasend nga. We're so happy for you, gahilak sila. So gabi akong hilaka gyud, like, my gosh, I don't know what to say. Basta kay malipayon lang gid kay ko.
Sukad bata pa lang ba ka, Kirk, makonsidera ba nimo o gipangandoy na bagyod nimo kaniadto pa na mahimong usa ka beauty queen?
To be honest, when I was still a kid, I didn't see myself nga mahimong pageantera gyud. Kaya sa una, I'm really focused gid sa akong studies, academics, like grabe ka na gid akong focus. But pag abot sa pagdako na nako, I realized nga I wanted to do something more. That's why I decided to join pageantry gyud.
Miss Kirk, of course, since ikaw man ang Miss Gay Philippines, kinahanglan nimo moagi sa among surprise question and answer portion. Ready na ba ka? Alright, kini ang pangutana. Kung ikaw usa ka sudan, unsa ka ug ngano?
If ako isa ka sudan, definitely I will be lechon. Why lechon? Because we all know for a fact lechon is our pambansang pagkain. And I know lechon is our favorite, right? So I want to be lechon so that I can be everybody's favorite. O, di ba?
Letson yun ha, para pilion yun sa tanan. Bitaw, Miss Kirk, alang no sa ato mga kapuso viewers this morning, labi na pod sa mga anaa sa LGBTQ community, ado na ba kay mensahe ngadto kanila, labi pa nga ikaw na gyud ang maingon nato nga murag role model nila?
Okay, so my message will be for my brothers and sisters from the LGBTQ community. So, guys, if you have a dream, always believe in yourself and always remember, gender will never be an hindrance towards achieving your goals. So, padayon lang ta, dita ang imahadlo kung saan nasa tong mga sa tong experience along the way or challenges along the way. Padayon lang ta because we have our own path and we have our own dreams and I know we can conquer them one day. So, ayun. So, sa tanan gusto mahimo sa nga isip sa ka pageantera or contestera, ayo ka wala og paglaom kay I started from sa pinaka gamay gyud and right now nan ako sa akong damgo nga makuha na ko niya crown and I know one day you will also be like me.
Daghang salamat Miss Kirk or Miss Gay Philippines 2022 sa imuhang panahon nga gihatag dinhi sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Amping kanunay.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Kapuso. Thank you, everyone.
Stay tuned mga kapuso kay mo balik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.